हेलो बच्चों, लेट्स रीड द क्वेश्चन। तो क्वेश्चन में गिवन है कि स्टेटमेंट 1 saying that an electric bulb becomes dim when an electric heater in parallel circuit is switched on। स्टेटमेंट 2 कह रहा है कि डिमनेस ऑफ बल्ब डिक्रीजेस आफ्टर सम टाइम। हमें देखना पड़ेगा कि कौन सा ऑप्शन सही है, राइट। सो इस क्वेश्चन में हमारा जो की कॉन्सेप्ट होगा दैट इज हीट एनर्जी, you can say heat energy produced by bulb. That is, if we denote it by H, so H equals to I square R. And the brightness of the bulb, or you can say the dimness of the bulb, is also depending upon the resistance and the current. So we will check this by this concept. Statement 1 में कह रहा है कि an electric bulb becomes dim when an electric heater is in parallel circuit and is switched on, right? Means let's say we have a 220 volt power supply here, and we have a bulb which is parallelly connected with heater, right? And we know that in a heater the rated power is high. That means it is in terms of 1000 watt, and in case of bulb the power rated is maximum 100 to 200 watt, right? And we know the relation that P is equals to V square by R, as this bulb and the heater is in parallel circuit, so the V is same, so you can say that power is depending upon 1 by R, right? So as P of power of the bulb is less than the power of the heater, so you can say from here that resistance of the bulb is greater than the resistance of the heater, right? So let's say the current I is flowing from here and it divides into I1 and I2, right? So now from current division law, we know that जिसका लेट्स से कि I करंट जा रहा है, तो I करंट जो दोनों हिस्सों में बांट रहा है, तो जिस हिस्सा में रेजिस्टेंस कम होगा, in that case the current drawn in that section is greater, right? So as we know that resistance of the bulb is greater than the resistance of the heater, so you can say that current drawn in the heater is greater than the current drawn in the bulb. Now as we discussed that heat energy, that is I is equals to I square R, so it is depending upon the current. So you can say that in case of when the heater is switched on, the current flowing through it, that means I2 is greater than I1 when the switch is on, right? So the brightness of the bulb get low, or you can say the bulb get dimmed when the heater is switched on. So our statement 1 is true, right? Now statement 2 is saying that dimness of bulb decreases over some time. So as time goes, the temperature, हीटर का टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज होता है, राइट। सो अगर हीटर का टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज होता है तो टेम्परेचर ऑफ द कॉइल also increases, which implies resistance of the heater also increases. Why? Because we know that resistance is equals to R naught 1 plus alpha delta T, right? So as temperature increases, resistance also increases. So from here you can say that after some time the resistance of the heater get increased. So in that case the current through heater again less than the current through bulb, because as the resistance increases after some time, So the current drawn in the section where the heater is will decrease. So the bulb again get its brightness and its dimness decreases after some time. So our statement 2 is also true. But the statement 2 does not actually explain the statement 1. So we can say that our option B is right, that both statements are true, but statement 2 is not the correct explanation of statement 1. So hope you understand it. Best of luck.